Session 7, let's write. Let's write sentences and paragraphs. Now you're going to add together everything we've been working on and actually write a middle school literary essay about character. Excited? Of course you are. So we have a mentor essay of what our middle school essay could look like. Add to that the information we learned from our argument writing checklist, which led us to creating an essay outline that organizes our ideas. You know, the claim, reasons, and evidence we've been working so hard to create. Now we're going to add it all together into sentences and paragraphs. You know, an essay, a middle school literary essay about character. How will this work, you might ask? Well, let's break it down. You have your essay outline from last session. Now we're going to turn the bullet points into sentences and paragraphs. Here goes. Let's start with the lead. Our outline has the claim and the reasons. This is how our intro paragraph could look like based on the information for my essay. The Girl from the Most Magnificent Thing by Ashley Spires shows determination to accomplish her goals because she tries again and she sees the positives in the things she's made. Next comes body 1, my first support paragraph. The girl shows determination because she tries again and again. After the girl makes the first thing, she notices it's not right. She tosses it aside and gives it another go. In another part of the story, the girl saws and glues and adjusts. She stands and examines and stares. She twists and tweaks and fastens. Notice I indented a space between my paragraphs and I just copied the ideas from my outline and wrote it into sentences and paragraphs. I want to make sure I use the ideas I've been planning all along, and I want to create space to keep my writing organized. Okay, after the first body paragraph, I do body 2, my second reason. Another example of the girl showing determination is when she finds the positives in the things she made. It's right after she gets frustrated and takes a walk. Then she notices something surprising. There are some parts of the wrong things that are really quite right. The bolts on one, the shape of another, the wheel-to-seat ratio of the next. There are all sorts of parts that she likes. Notice again with the indenting and the copying of the ideas I already came up with. I'm not inventing anything new. I'm using the ideas for my essay outline. Last, I write my strong ending, my powerful conclusion. The girl shows determination to accomplish her goal. Even when the first thing was wrong, she didn't give up. Even when she wanted to quit, she took a walk and gained a new perspective instead of quitting. Nobody should give up. Even if things are wrong, you should still keep trying and find the positives. Notice my last sentence, ending with a powerful, strong message about the lesson to be learned from this story. It says nobody should give up. Even if things are wrong, you should still keep trying and find the positives. So there, see? I have an essay based on and created from the ideas I've been organizing all along. My lead turned into my intro paragraph. My first support came from my first reason. My second support came from my second reason. And my ending paragraph, my conclusion, just repeated my ideas with power to make sure my reader cannot miss that I know my story and that they should believe what I have to say. So there you have it. That's a middle school literary essay about character. Easy peasy. Now it's your turn. Open to the essay outline in your writer's notebook. Find the doc called My Middle School Essay About Character and start writing your essay. This is going to be great. Don't forget, you can rewind, pause, and rewatch this video as many times as you need. Another thing, there's a sample of how to fill in this doc attached to the assignment. Use it for help if you need it. Okay, off you go. Write an amazing middle school literary essay about character.